Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a polygel kit from MelodySusie. I honestly didn't even know that they made polygel. I just thought they made LED lamps and like gel polish. So I'm really excited to try this kit out today and show you guys. I'll be doing like a little unboxing, and I'll also be reviewing a UV LED lamp that they sent me as well. And as always, I will leave the links in the description box. So first that comes in the kit is a set of instructions that shows you how to prep your nails for polygel and apply the polygel, which is really good if you're a beginner. The instructions seem pretty easy to follow, so that's good that they include that. Next, you get some dual forms. This box comes with 100 pieces in a bunch of different sizes. You get 3 different color polygels. The colors are white, clear, and light pink. And they're all 50-gram tubes, so they're pretty big compared to most kits, which I like a lot because they'll last a lot longer. And I love the style of the bottle with the matte packaging and the rounded top. You can actually stand these bottles up on your desk, which I really love. And the bottles do come sealed, just in case you guys were wondering. I will be showing you guys some swatches in a few minutes on a paper towel. I'm not going to do them on swatch sticks because I'm doing a tutorial and that will just waste more time in the video, but you will get to see what all the colors look like. They are pretty basic, so I decided to use some glitter in my set today to kind of like spice it up, but you'll see the white and the clear in action. You do also get a hand file in this kit. I'm not really sure what the grit is. There was no label on it, but by the way that it feels like a 100/180 grit nail file. One side is 180 and the other side is 100 grit. Next, you get this little gel brush. One side has like the gel brush and the other side has a spatula to apply the polygel onto your nails. So now moving on to the swatches, this first color is light pink, which is a really pretty shade of jelly pink. I was almost tempted to use this one today, but I decided to be different and do white since I always tend to go for the pinks. The next one is this clear. This clear is super clear. I don't know if you guys have ever tried the McCart Clear Polygel, but this one pretty much matches that. The next color is white. This white is pretty bright. Usually it's hard to find a nice bright white polygel. Sometimes after you cure them, they end up having that yellow tinge to them. But this one stayed white, and overall I love all of the colors. They're all very pretty. So here is the 54-watt UV LED lamp that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And in this box, you first get a user manual that shows you how to use the product, any malfunctions and solutions, safety measures, and your warranty, which is 6 months. And you also get a thank you card, and on the back it tells you how to apply for an additional 6-month warranty. You get 1 AC power cord, and of course you get your UV LED lamp. I like how they include a warranty with this product, so if anything goes wrong with it, you can get a replacement. And there is also a 30-day money-back guarantee with this lamp as well. So you do have a detachable magnetic bottom and 30 pieces dual UV LED beads on the inside of the lamp, which makes the lamp pretty high power. Overall, it is pretty lightweight. You can use it on your hands and feet. And there is also 3 timer settings on this lamp. You can set the time for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds, which I'll be showing you how each one works in a minute. And there is an auto sensor on this lamp. When you put your hand in the lamp, the light will go on, and when you take it out, the light goes off. There is also a power saver on this lamp. After 5 minutes, the lamp will go into power saving mode. And once you do press the button on this lamp, it will preset the time. So if I press 30 seconds on this lamp, it will stay on that, so when I put my hand in it, it will just automatically start curing for 30 seconds. And you can use this lamp to cure your gel polishes, polygels, anything pretty much. And this part confused me for a minute because I was like, why is there 6 fingers? I'm so slow. But it's obviously for your right and left hand. And like I said, it can be used for your feet. All you would have to do is just remove that bottom, and it's pretty big, so you can put it over your foot as well. Alright, so the kit didn't come with a base gel, so I'm going in with one that I already have. This one is from one of the Gershon Polygel kits, and I'm applying it to all of my natural nails, and I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. You need a base gel so that the polygel has something to stick to. I used the lamp that they sent me so you guys can see how well it cures, and it cures just fine like any other lamp. Next, I'm going in with this Funfetti glitter gel from Glitterless Nails. I did a review on these gels. I'll link it in the cards if you want to check it out. I have a discount code with them, Stay Polish 91 for 30% off until April 5th, and then after that it will be just regular 20% off. But anyways, after that, I'm taking this glitter mix from JBanger79 on eBay. It's called I'll Take Sprinkles, and I'm applying pieces of that into the Funfetti gel, and then I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds. Next, I'm taking the white polygel from the kit, and I'm applying it to the pointer finger and the pinky. This polygel is really soft to work with, and it's really easy to manipulate on the nail. It is a lot softer than most polygels. Most polygels are firm. I actually prefer the softer ones. They're just like easier for me to work with. The only thing about soft polygels is that they tend to run a little bit after a while into the cuticle. Not a lot, just a little bit. So just be sure to wipe that before you cure your nails in your lamp. And the way that I apply the polygel is that I just squeeze out how much I need onto the nail. And I start by the cuticle and just pat side to side all the way down the nail. Remove any excess with the spatula and just like smooth it out. I will be curing each nail individually for 60 seconds so that I don't mess anything up. For the middle finger, I'm just taking a little bit of the white polygel, and I'm going to be just applying it by the cuticle area and just blending it down a little bit into the tip, kind of like an ombre into the glass tip, but it doesn't have to be too neat because we're just covering it up with a bunch of glitter. So after I do that, I'm going to apply the Funfetti glitter gel and then go in with the other glitter mix on top of that, just like I did on the ring finger, and then I will cure everything for 60 seconds. I'm going to be encapsulating the middle finger and the ring finger with the clear polygel from the kit. And the reason why I'm encapsulating them is because they have glitter and I don't want to file the glitter off when I go to file, shape, and buff. Plus the nails were kind of thin because there wasn't that much product on them. So I'm using the clear to build up the apex and the rest of the structure of the nail. Just like the other two nails, I just squeeze out how much I need and pat everything into place. I always start by the cuticle and just work my way down the nail. It's a lot easier that way. I do that pretty much for everything I do with polygel, unless I'm doing like an ombre or something. But look how clear this polygel is, guys. Like, I'm shook. I was not expecting it to be this clear. I'll definitely be using this polygel in the future. I'm going in with a second layer of that white polygel on the pointer finger and the pinky because the nails were kind of thin and I wanted them to be a little bit thicker so that they didn't break. But I wanted to show you guys just the application on the pointer finger so you could see how I do it in case you wanted to know. I basically do it the same exact way I did it the first time. I'm just literally going in with a second layer. And yeah, that is about it. After that, I will cure the nail for 60 seconds. And I will also be filing and shaping off camera to save some time in the video. After I file, shape, and buff the nails, I'm going in with this Poochie's bling gel and gel top coat on the two white nails, and I'm applying some bling by the cuticle. All you really do is apply the bling gel first, then the gel top coat your stones and cure them in place in the lamp. I always use this for my stones and it works really good. The stones like literally never fall off. And I'll also be top coating the rest of the nails with the same gel top coat. And yeah, that is about it for this set. I know it's simple, but it's so cute. I'm here for the simple looks, you know. You don't always have to be extra. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments and what are your thoughts on the MelodySusie Polygel. I really like it a lot. But yeah, I'd like to hear from you guys and see what you guys think about it. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at StayPolished91. I'll see you guys in my next video.